everyone, I'm Java developer, and alongside Java, I have been working with TypeScript for quite some time. I have always been cautious about JavaScript's flexibility, but TypeScript addresses many of the things Java developers usually miss. In this video, I will show you 5 TypeScript features I really like and how they compare to Java. So Node.js and TypeScript compiler are already installed on the machine, so we can compile and run standalone TypeScript file and use it to demonstrate the 5 features. The first feature, in TypeScript, you can define fields directly in the constructor. Look at this user class. No boilerplate, no separate field declaration or getters. In Java, records introducing this only recently, and they are still limited. TypeScript make this simple and flexible. Let's see this in action. We create TypeScript file called demo and define a user class. The constructor defines all fields, and you can explicitly set their scope, with public being the default. Inside the getInfo method, the fields are accessible as usual. So let's run and see. Second, updating objects using the spread operator. For example, creating a copy of user object by updating the email field. It is immutable by default, readable, and avoids side effects. Compare this to Java. You would need builder, copy constructor, or manual cloning. Here it is, one line, very convenient. Third, partial. This is really handy when updating only some fields. This works perfectly for patch requests or partial updates. In Java, you often end up creating separate DTOs, handling no-loops, and writing extra code. TypeScript just does it with the type system, making the intent clear. Fourth, Destructuring. You can extract exactly what you need. It reduces noise and shows dependencies clearly. In Java, you are still calling getters everywhere, which is more verbose. Destructuring feels cleaner for local users, but it is best used to clarify, not to show off. And finally, union types. This replaces deep inheritance hierarchies with simple, honest modeling. The compiler forces you to handle every case. In Java, you would use abstract classes, sealed classes, or wrapper classes, which are heavier. TypeScript does it lightweight and type-safe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and bye.